Okay, so what is up, every? It's your boy Adventures coming back with another bang. I was breaking my grandma, y'all. So basically, I'm gonna do the doorbell prank. I'm gonna keep hitting the doorbell and act like I don't know what's going on and see what goes on with grandma. So yeah. If y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, be part of Adventures Again. Here and I'm posting the baby back to back. So yeah, right now, posting the burgers back to back. 2021. You already know what it is. Let's get it. So I'm gonna hide this camera in her room so she won't suspect a thing. Alright, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is, so look, y'all, her chair is her chair. Let me see, y'all. Y'all can see. I'm gonna put it right there. Her chair is right there.
Well, I do, yeah.
Camera upstairs. So right now I'm gonna press the doorbell and y'all, let's get it, y'all. I'm gonna tell her that I'm in the bathroom, but some kids playing out the door. So yeah. Y'all see the doorbell right there? Doorbell Frank.
Really, nigga? Really, nigga? Really?
Come on. So the door, I don't know why the doorbell don't work. I guess I gotta knock on the door. Let's get it.
You open that door. You open that door, boy. You open that door.
Why is the thin crust of Little Caesars thin crust with cheese and pepperoni? It's shy. Hello, Little Caesars. Get Little Caesars large thin crust pizza for just $6.
Ain't nobody with this.
Little Caesars introduces delivery.
Don't open that door, to do.
The new year, my good boss. That's gonna do you good. It's a perfect out hilarious.
You made a stone.
The perfect girls' night out.
The hell is wrong with you, lady?
My boss. Rated R.
When the Murrays set to work, their dog Michelangelo gets to work too. Today's job, own the bed. Stinky. Good thing they use new Gain Ultra blades with 2 times the ouncy boost in Febreze.
Sound like a chow.
Big, ultra stinky ones. Brush again. Gain. Seriously good scent. And if you...
Let's get it. Christian life.
Listen. I can do that.
Get it, Christian. Let's go.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shoot! Ah!
I know that was you. It was a child's knock.
Dang, bro.
Grown people knock like the police.
Huh?
Grown people knock like the police. That's why I say you're gonna stay your ass out there.
Alright, so look, tell me. So look, tell me right now, how do you feel? How do you feel about being pranked, Grandma?
Being what?
Prank, Grandma's a prank.
I don't like pranks.
Why do you like pranks?
I don't like pranks.
They
They're
funny.
hurtful. They're not funny.
Was that a hurtful prank?
No, to me it was. You want me to come up and down the step?
Alright, Grandma, so I'm gonna need you to tell them something, alright?
What?
I'm gonna need you to tell them something, alright?
Tell who something?
Alright, tell them say like,
Like what?
and say comment. Say comment.
Get out of here. You ain't getting me to say something out
Come on, come on.
Then you're gonna
Look, y'all. Like, comment. Come on. Come on. Say like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Like, comments, to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, Grandma, you just sitting on that upstairs. That's why I had the camera recording. The camera was recording upstairs.
Where?
The camera on your thing?
Well, I know. That's why I tell you, I don't be on nobody's camera. Don't put me on YouTube. YouTube and none of that. I don't like that.
So you won't be on you?
Too many messy people.
I'm a blur.
Opinion. I don't like it.
I got you, grandma. I got you.
Bitch, I'm seeing on the camera.
Alright, y'all. So look, y'all. I'm about to blur her face out and everything. Y'all want? I ain't
Blur me out.
yeah, I'm about to see what my grandma is, but yeah, y'all. She won't be. Huh?
I'm seeing on the camera.
Hey, Grandma Christian went along with it, Grandma. I didn't know you was going along with it. Crystal, how you feel about this, Crystal? No, you can't have the phone.
Come on, y'all.
All right, Mama, go with Grandma. But yeah, yo. You're right.
I'm on site with this shit. Lose a fight, I get life in this bitch. You know I ain't letting that slide. I don't pay him no mind when they typing this shit. Let's go. He probably mad